All right, y'all. So, I'm about to show you something. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see it. My husband has a eye of a hawk because he's seen this. Look at that great crane. That's a blue crane. Sorry if it looks grainy because I had to zoom all the way in. He's on the other side of the water. Look at him. Oh, he's so statuesque, honey. That's our friend, Charlie. But we finally see Charlie. Charlie! Did he see me?
He ain't do nothing. Got his head down.
Charlie is waiting on a fish, honey.
Patiently.
He's patiently waiting on a fish. He like he about to dive in a minute. All right, y'all, you can barely see him. I'm glad I got a small glimpse of him. We're gonna continue on because these mosquitoes is about to come out. I feel them. And the thrill of the fight. Look at that. Probably. Look at that view, y'all. Amazing. Now you see that view? Oh, that's pretty. All right. You think I can see him over there?
Yeah, it was a bunch over there. He's running them off now.
Oh, okay. Look at that view. That's the nature people on there. I guess they check the park, make sure it's clean. I was unable to catch a glimpse of fireflies, it looks like, guys. It's a little bit too light. I can see them, but you can't on the camera. We tried. Look how, listen, y'all. Listen to that. You hear how loud it is, baby?
Yeah, he up in there.
You notice how we walk and they stop? They going down now. Yeah. Pay attention, y'all. That is crazy.
On the path.
This is a path.
How many people been through that?
I'm glad we was able to allow them to come out here today. Baby, I thought it was gonna rain. And it ended up not raining. So that's great. Able to let y'all see. It feels good. The wind's blowing.
We'll never get no water.
No, right here, I don't know if it's a ravine, but it's a lot of nice rocks down here. It's never full of water.
Yeah, no water flow.
I hope we can see some fireflies back. He said, go up in there. No, thank you. Ooh, this feels amazing.
Clean. Yeah, clean.
Smells very clean. I guess that's how you cleanse, honey, right? You know, I guess that's why coming out in nature, breathe in and release. Look at all the colors. We got flowers. Those look like sunflowers, but I'm not sure. Now I want you guys to view. I don't like taking videos of other people in their state, but I want to show you guys going over this next little bridge, the look and feel of it. It looks like we going into, like, without the background noise of the noisy ass cars, Look like we're going into like another something. Time and place. I'm glad we could walk for y'all and let y'all see this. Go over there.
I don't see none around here.
You want to see what?
I don't see none around here.
I know. Oh, the fireflies?
Yeah.
Not none.
Okay.
You usually can see them this time of night, but
Smell like the creek, huh?
it's just not meant for today. Yeah, it does.
Okay.
Okay. You can ride your bikes here. Yep. This is a very big park, y'all.
Very big.
You remember we tried to walk down that way? We had to turn around. It was so long.
Oh, yeah.
You have bikes, you are good to go. But walking in the heat, oh no. Look over there, y'all. Now we about to hit reality.
That's why I think why you got that sign up. So you don't supposed to be on that side.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Dark right here, huh?
It would be hard if they seen something running.
Mm-hmm. Where it's dark at. But I guess it ain't no grass, so I don't know what it is.
I don't know how they do that. Ain't no
We was
flowers
trying to
there.
show you the fireflies, but to no prevail. It's okay. We'll be back. One day we'll see them. One day we came and it was some owls. Two perched up in a tree. Whoo! Whoo! I was so amazed. I love owls. It's one of my favorite birds. All right.
So on this spot, we see that.
Yeah. Now I can see the fireflies from here,
See
baby.
them over there. I seen one.
We're almost. He's still trying for y'all.
It's 8:34. It still ain't dark.
So I guess they was wrong.
Get it.
Y'all caught it? That was Charlie, the blue crane, flying overhead. We caught it. Well, my husband, I'm telling y'all, he has the eye of a fucking eagle.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Had that yellow and green.
Yeah, it is. Yes, we used to see it come, and we get us a sub, and we'll come right here and just see it. I'm talking about every day. Damn near. Look at that.
This is where we met Toby, the dog.
Toby the dog. Down here.
We'd be sitting there eating.
Yeah.
And he'll run to us.
He'll run up to us, and it was someone that came out here all the time. We'd be like, Toby. Toby will run to us like he was our dog. We have not seen Toby. So this is it, guys. And you can go all the way around that corner. Oh, with triple L's. So we're about to go. Thank y'all for joining us on our date night at the park. Look at it. Beautiful. It was amazing. Look at that skyline, y'all. Look at that. It's beautiful. Y'all see that cloud? Yes. What do you guys see? Make it out for whatever it is for yourself in those clouds. I know what it is to me. You see an image? Okay. So guys, we are almost to the car. So I'm going to bid you guys a farewell and a good night. Say good night, baby.
Good night.
I'll show y'all.